latest stealth drones, especially the Shahed 181 and Shahed 191 attack platforms, have proven to be problematic for the defense of Ukraine. Such transfers could also significantly contribute to the prestige of Iran's drone program and increase foreign interest in making acquisitions. The White House quoted Washington last week as revealing that Russia is looking for hundreds of armed and unarmed surveillance drones from Iran. The drone will be used for the war in Ukraine, reflecting speed. It is known that Iran has more experience deploying high-performance stealth drones in combat than any other country. This comes after a successful Iranian electronic attack on the CIA-operated Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel stealth drone. The RQ-170 was probably the most stealth military aircraft in the world at the time. Former Mossad head Danny Yatom also spoke about the incident. It was a sophisticated operation. The UAV is almost an exact replica of the US drone that crashed on their territory. If it exploded somewhere in Israel, it might not be possible to identify it as an Iranian-made drone, he said. God of Moscow to fill critical battlefield gaps. Jake Sullivan, President Joe Biden's national security advisor, provided few details about the intelligence assessment. Another U.S. official said Iran was preparing to provide as many as 300 remotely piloted aircraft. He will also start training Russian troops on how to use it earlier this month. Russia has run out of most of its precision-guided weapons as well as many of the drones it has used. All were used to assist long-range artillery targets in the months-long bombing of Ukraine.